for gold buying when I didn't buy the gold. Yo, listen. I swear I did not buy any gold.
Smile.
But when a person in the game said, "Yo, X, here's a dono," I accepted. I gave him some wolf meat in exchange for the money.
Finish BG3.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, guys. I had some wolf meat in my inventory. I thought, yo, I realized wolf meat. To me, this is worth dozens of thousands of gold. Hold on. A viewer comes up and says, yo, I want something that only X has. I said, all I have is my wolf meat. And he gave me 40,000 gold for it. Chat, does that make me a criminal?